Hey, my prepper posse. February 20th. Look at it. Look at the garage. It's up. Nice. Thank you, DWD, for coming and helping. When we got up here, we started putting all the pieces out and said we needed a ladder, and we forgot it. So, but thank you. She's a 10 by 15. We got a storm coming in. I guess tonight we're gonna get rain. So we'll see how it's windy up here. I'm gonna have to figure out the bottom section because it doesn't come with anything to block off down here. I'll take inside. We threw some things in here for now, but I'm gonna refix it. ShelterLogic. They don't have any really good videos on it either. So I wanted it this way, so when we come out, hi Tank, when we come out of the bus, I can go right in there. Alright, we threw some stuff in here, but I'm gonna clean it. I'm beat. It was a long day today. But you come in, ta-da! The dog loves it. Some junk. But it's pretty cool. It's very large. We put a heavy-duty tarp down for the flooring. But like I said, back here, they don't give you anything. Look at that, the winds. I'm going to have to fix this. I may put up something sturdy. There. And it's the same here. They don't give you anything. So, I've still got work to do on it. But that's okay. It's up. Whew. And I also didn't want to block our view from the window. I wanted to still be able to see everything out here. Well, there it is. I thought I'd share it with you. Pretty excited. Another thing off of the list. Don't forget to play. See you.